Good day, kids. Grab your chairs. Come on, hurry up. Today we're going to see a great movie. And I want you to pay close attention because afterwards we're going to have a pop quiz.
No. What?
Oh.
Okay! Christmas, Christmas time is near. Time for toys and time for cheer. We've been good, but we can't last. Hurry, Christmas, hurry fast.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Jingle bells, 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 right, ladies, right. Up, up, and away, flying in the sleigh, home alone, Christmas Eve, make believe it's time to play, so let's blow on this note, with a sack on my back, 'cause Santa's trying to back this Cadillac. Riding and riding, when he gets to the side, and he's a slipping and a sliding in his own
But we had one more important sound we wanted you to hear.